Hey there, how are you guys doing? I hope everyone had a green day and made a decent profit today because we are entering into the bearish market. At least that's what it seems like based on the movement of the Nasdaq and S&P 500. So today I was very cautious before taking any trades. So I swung some positions, basically calls and put spreads in my Webull account, and I will cover that in a later video. Probably I will do all the Webull videos on the weekend, not today because I have a lot of work to do. Other than that, um, because of the bearish market, and today they disclosed the GDP data. I haven't looked at that. I don't know what it looks like, but seems like market was not responding it very well. It was not a bullish market, was not bullish at all. It was just like trading sideways. All the major tech stock and most of the stocks gave up their gains after noon. Other than that, I took a trade on PALT or Paltalk Inc. It's the same stock that I traded yesterday. Made a wild trades yesterday and ended up like earning $100. But today this stock was showing some momentum, like continuation of the momentum, or in a typical trading term, you can say like a dead cat bounce. It started moving up higher in the pre-market hours, but at the open, it was choppy. So I didn't jump into the trade. I was looking to get to take a trade in this pre-market or during this bull run, but I don't feel comfortable taking trades in pre-market hours anymore. I used to do that, but I don't know. I lost the confidence to take a trade in the pre-market hours. But nonetheless, when the market opened, this stock was kind of like showing some thing, like it was not showing that bullish momentum. So I thought like, okay, now this stock is gone, it's not going to come back, so I left it over there. But um after some time, after curling up, and if you see here a little bit closely, it was kind of like a forming inverse head and shoulder. So that's like a bullish pattern, but like it's not well defined. And on this candle, it went up into the halt. So I it caught my attention and I was watching the stock. So I wanted to get in like 1050 or 1080. I set like a limit order at 1080 to get into the squeeze, but it went up even higher and opened around like $12.53 and move even higher around like $14 or so. I couldn't catch that move. That's okay. I was waiting for the pullback and I got this healthy pullback. So on this pullback, like I jumped into this trade with the 500 shares at 1260 and then sold everything at $13. So after that, it squeezed up even higher, but I didn't like I didn't stay there for long because I just don't want to uh, lose all my profit. And yes, that was like a right call. I don't know whether it will be trending tomorrow, but chances of that happening is really low. And even if it is trading in in a gap up, even if it is gap up even higher, I would not take a trade unless that setup is clean because I believe tomorrow is the last day and the first day of the October, but tomorrow is going to be um, I believe tomorrow is going to be the red. Probably half of the day will be the red and half of the day will be a green. But yeah, let's see what's going to happen tomorrow. And if you are going to take a trade tomorrow, make sure control your position sizes, and also um, have that tight stop loss in your mind, because in this type of market either you can make some money and lose more money. So we don't want to lose more money. Small loss is good. Major loss, avoid it completely. So here are my trades. So as you can see, I traded 500 shares and gained $200. These are my trades, actual trades. So I I was trying to place a limit order, but I didn't get enough time, so I just bought 500 shares at a market order and then sold everything at $13. That was a limit order, but uh, buy orders were all market orders. That's okay. I don't mind about that. $200 in my pocket. Another healthy green day, and yeah, uh, I will see you guys in the next trade recap. Trade cautiously, and I hope everyone will make money. Thanks for watching.